Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes we are going to show you 8 makeup secrets Korean women use to look younger, which you might did not know. So let's get it started. During a recent masterclass I attended in Seoul, Korean makeup artist Kat Ko said, "In America, I think girls want to look sexier and more mature. In Korea, we value youthful appearance." This led to the development of a plethora of makeup application techniques, all of which are intended to assist you in channeling your most innocent, wide-eyed, literally, youthful self. You're in luck since I took a ton of notes in Ko's class, which I'll share with you now. Follow the links below to learn 8 beauty techniques used by Korean ladies to seem younger, from apple juice makeup to puppy dog eyes. 1. Adopt a more arched brow contour. On the model's brows, Ko applied a Laneige brow cushion product, which produced a remarkably natural result. The liquid cushion texture makes it look like her real brow hair, the woman explains. Unfortunately, the product isn't yet available in the United States, but she claims that you may achieve the same result by making your brows appear less strongly arched and more straight across. Because they believe it makes them look younger. Apparently, everyone's brows are straight across when you're a baby. Korean ladies want a barely perceptible curve to their brows. A super curved eyebrow is too much, claims Ko. We refer to it as a seaweed brow in Korea. 2. Invest in fruit juice cosmetics. Ko asserts that Korean women frequently adhere to a style of makeup she refers to as juicy-ism, or fruit juice makeup, in order to seem as fresh as possible. It means getting enough color on your cheeks as if they were a ripe fruit ready to eat and bursting with juice, she says. You can achieve this by using fruit-colored blush directly on the front apples of your cheeks rather than blending upward and outward, which is typically the method utilized in America. See, draping. Think of watermelon, peach, strawberries, etc. Finish with applying a fruit-colored lip color, and then smile like the peach that you are. 3. Permit peach flower eyes to exist. Speaking of peaches, Ko claims that Korean ladies prefer to combine peach-colored or reddish shadow precisely around their eyes as a subtype of fruit juice makeup. The rationale? The result makes you appear as though you may have recently sobbed, which is reportedly a trait that makes you more desirable in Korea. I personally find this encouraging because I do not typically feel sexy shortly after weeping. 4. Another option is teardrop eyes. Ko claims that Korean ladies also have a propensity for a delicate gleam of glitter around the eye region. In America, you want it to look like you're wearing glitter when you're wearing glitter, she explains. In Korea, we prefer it to be more subdued. Does she have glitter on? Does she not? Are those tears? Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.